Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2007 Shelby GT. Clean Carfax. Carfax shows two-owner car, no accidents. Actual mile car at just a little over 25,000 is all. Of course, the Shelby GTs were actually converted down in Las Vegas at Shelby America. This particular car is sequential number 1241, so 1241. Let's take a look at the front fascia, billet grille, hood pins, Shelby scoop. Of course, the black with silver vinyl stripes. 4.6 liter underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, Tremec. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct 5-spoke wheel. There's a few spots where there's just a little touch up here or there. It's black paint. The car's been driven a little bit. So there are a few spots, but don't get me wrong, paint shows well on this car, nice shine to it. And again, you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. One thing I also want to mention is you can notice that it does not have the license plate bracket installed in the bumper, but it does have one of the stow and show. It's a bracket that slides on and off that front fascia from down below. So there's a license plate bracket for it. It's just hidden. It can come on and off. All right. Passenger side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Black leather interior, bucket seats, center console. This does have a Pioneer aftermarket stereo installed. And that does have Bluetooth capabilities. Sirius XM radio, Android, Apple capabilities from your phone also. It's a little nicer Pioneer stereo install, more modern. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the dual exhaust on the rear. This will also have the suspension components, a lot of Ford Racing components on it that were installed by Shelby. And then underneath the hood, you're going to see cold air intake, the strut tower brace. Of course, these cars are lowered. That 4.6 liter is tuned, a little more horsepower out of it. And once again, those still pictures all can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side, there was a couple little spots that were touched up on the deck lid. I don't even know if you can hardly see them. Driver's side. All right, let's take a peek down the driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you're into Mustangs, you like the, say, newer body styles, maybe the higher horse ones as you get into the GT500s and GT350s in the later years, or maybe you like the early year Corvette or Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. And you can see driver's side again, paint in nice shape, shows well. Pull that key a second. Of course, power windows. Power locks. Something I also want to point out, this has the insert panel that has been added. Lots of times you know that what they finished these doors with in 07 started to separate. So that door panel has been fixed, nicely done, professionally done, same as the other side. Now, as far as interior, really no wear in the bolster, leather wearing nicely. It's a power seat, so leather in great shape. Of course, cruise on the steering wheel, tilt column, 5-speed Let's go ahead and fire this up. Mentioned that sequential number earlier, 1241. It's right there in the Shelby plaque. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. That is a microphone, obviously, for stereo. There's your exact miles. You can see that 25,987. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Top of the dash. Looks good. Definitely nothing to hide on this one. Should have the Ford Racing exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that 4.6 liter V8. Sounds good. Speaking of which, let's take a peek underneath this hood. Let me get the hood pins out, pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, hood liner, underside of the hood, nice and clean. You can tell this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. And again, 2-owner car indicated on the Carfax. Clean Carfax, no accidents. There's your Ford Racing cold air intake. That strut tower brace we mentioned earlier, Ford Racing also. So nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Looks as it should. Interstate battery added. (2007) Shelby GT Mustang. 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where all the pictures are. Underside, interior, engine bay. Be over 100 pictures of this car online. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT. Nice looking car in black with some silver stripes and a scoop on the hood. This is a 5-speed manual, which makes it more fun to drive. Very nice acceleration. Smooth shifting, nice short throw shifter, quick to get through the gears. We have a touchscreen radio in the dash, and it's working well. Tachometer working, speedometer also working, and the fuel gauge is reading full, temperature gauge almost halfway up the gauge. Cruise control works. Great looking bucket seats in this Mustang. Kind of a throwback look, just like the rest of the car. A tribute to the old body style. This Mustang stays nice and flat in the corners and grips the road well. Nice looking interior, good condition, fun to drive Mustang. Check out all the pictures and details at UniqueClassicCars.com.